Hello everyone. It's my great pleasure to congratulate all the HG graduates. I'm very much delighted and excited to warmly welcome you all in British Gurkha College in the faculties of Science, Management and Humanities. If I talk about the college, it's a leading college in Nepal. It has completed the journey of 23 years in the field of education. It has produced the competent and efficient professional as per the demand of contemporary world in different streams. Mainly, we focus upon the discipline, education, and leadership. We have the friendly environment in teaching and learning process. The faculty members which we have are quite efficient and competent too. So we provide the scholarship up to the 100% for deserving and the genuine students. At last, being as a vice principal, I can assure you and maintain your trust for your secure and bright future with better education. Thank you.